Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CAT cut of 2023 for IITs, including MBA admission criteria, percentile selection process. First, let's check the qualifying CAT expected cutoff for IITs 2023. For the IIT Kharagpur, the general cutoff is 90 and the SC/ST cutoff is 75. For the IIT Bombay, the general cutoff is 90 and the SC/ST cutoff is 60. For the IIT Kanpur, the journal cutoff is 80 and the SC/ST cutoff is 55. For the IIT Roorkee, the journal cutoff is 90 and the SC/ST cutoff is 70. Let's check the IIT Delhi CAT highlights 2023. The fee including is INR 8.8 to 9.6 lakhs. The seats intake is 116 and the average salary is 18.47 lakh. Let's check the IIT Delhi CAT eligibility criteria. For MBA, bachelor degree with 60% 6 CGPA out of 10 on an average for applicants from the journal category and 55% for SC/ST candidate, 5.5 CGPA out of 10. For MBA Telecom, bachelor degree in engineering, architecture, technology, pharmacy or BSc Agriculture Engineering. Bachelor degree in physical, chemical, mathematical sciences like physics, electronics, science, chemistry, statistics, mathematics, environmental science, computer application, operation research, agriculture, computational information science or bachelor degree in commerce, economics, CA or ICWA. 60% 6 CGPA out of 10 on an average for applicants from the journal category and 55% for SC/ST candidates, 5.5 CGPA out of. Let's check the IIT Delhi CAT cut of 2023 expected. For the journal category, the expected cutoff is 90. For the NCOBC, the expected cutoff is 81. For the SC category, the expected cutoff is 60. For the ST category, the expected cutoff is 60. And for the PWD, the expected cutoff is also 60. Let's check the IIT Delhi CAT cutoff 2022. For the MBA program, the Delhi CAT cutoff in previous year was 90. Let's check the IIT Delhi selection parameters. Class 10th mark consists of weightage of 1%, class 12th mark consists of weightage of 2%, CAT score, overall CAT score, maximum CAT score consists of weightage of 50%, extracurricular activities consist of weightage of 5%, aggregation graduation marks consist of weightage of 4, personal interview consists of weightage of 25, work experience consists of weightage of 3%, written aptitude test consists of weightage of 10%. Let's check the IIT Bombay CAT highlights 2023. The fee is INR 8.73 lakhs. The seats intake is 120. Average salary is 20.8 lakhs INR. Let's check the IIT Bombay eligibility criteria. A bachelor's or master degree of 4 years in any discipline with 60% marks, 55% for the SC/ST category, or a minimum CGPA of 6.5, 6 for the SC or ST category of 10. CA or ICWA with a bachelor's degree in any discipline with 60% marks, 55% for the SC or ST category candidates, or a minimum CPI of 6.5, 6 for SC or ST category candidates out of 10. Let's check the IIT Bombay section-wise CAT cut of 2023 expected. In journal category, the VARC cutoff is 75, DILR Quant cutoff is 75, and the overall CAT percentile would be 90. For the NCOBC, the DILR VARC Quant cutoff is 67.5 and the overall CAT percentile is 81. For the SC, ST and PWD category, the VARC DILR Quant section cutoff is 50 and the overall CAT percentile is 60. Let's check the IIT Bombay cutoff 2022. The MBA regular finance, accounting, human resource and operations, the cutoff was 90. Let's check the IIT Bombay final selection parameters. The CAT score consists of weightage of 42.5, personal interview consists of weightage of 42.5, graduation score consists of weightage of 6, work experience consists of weightage of 6%. Extracurricular activities consist of weightage of 3%. Let's check the IIT Kharagpur fees and seats intake. The fee is INR 10.51 lakh, the seats intake is 140 and the average salary is INR 17.42 lakhs. Let's check the IIT Kharagpur eligibility criteria. A 4-year bachelor's degree in engineering, technology, pharmacy, medicine or the like, a master degree in science, economics or commerce with mathematics or statistics in bachelor's. For general NC/OBC applicants, a minimum of 60% or a 6.5 CGPA out of 10. For SC/ST PWD candidates, a minimum of 55% marks or CGPA 6.0 out of 10. Let's check the IIT Kharagpur category-wise CAT cutoff 2023. The general category expected cutoff is 90 and NC/OBC expected cutoff is 80 and the SC category or ST or PWD category expected cutoff is 75. Let's check the IIT Kharagpur cutoff 2022. For the MBA course, the cutoff was 90. Let's check the IIT Kharagpur final selection parameters. The CAT QA score consists of weightage of 10, CAT VARC score consists of weightage of 20%, CAT DILR score consists of weightage of 10%, application rating consists of weightage of 20%, PI consists of weightage of 40%. Let's check the IIT Roorkee highlights. The fees is INR 8 lakhs, the seats intake is 95 and the average salary is 9.18 lakh. Let's check the IIT Roorkee eligibility criteria. For candidates applying through CAT 2023, graduation in any discipline from a recognized university with minimum 60% marks, 55% for reserved categories. IIT graduation with CGPA of 7.0 or above on a scale of 10, no CAT score is required. Let's check the IIT Roorkee final selection parameters. CAT score consists of weightage of 60%, personal interview consists of weightage of 30%, work experience consists of weightage of 10. Let's check the IIT Roorkee expected CAT cutoff 2023. The general category expected cutoff is 94.6, OBC category expected cutoff is 90, SC category expected cutoff is 82, ST category expected cutoff is 74. Let's check the IIT Roorkee cutoff 2022. For the MBA Finance, the cutoff was 95. For the Human Resource Management, the cutoff was 95. For the MBA Marketing or MBA Operation Management, the cutoff was 95. Let's check the IIT Madras highlights 2023. The fee is INR 8 lakhs and the seats intake is 68 and the average salary is INR 12.44 lakhs. Let's check the IIT Madras eligibility criteria. A valid CAT score, a graduate degree with 60% marks for the general category, a graduate degree with 55% marks. For the SC/ST PWD category, IIT graduates with a CGPA of 8 and above are exempt from CAT. Let's check the IIT Madras MBA shortlist criteria. CAT score consists of weightage of 75, Class 12 score consists of weightage of 4, Class 10 score consists of weightage of 4, graduation score consists of weightage of 6. Work experience consists of weightage of 5. Academic diversity, gender diversity consists of weightage of 3. Let's check the IIT Madras MBA shortlist criteria. In the journal category, the section 1 consists 50 and the section 2 DILR consists 50. The section 3 consists 150. Let's check the IIT Madras MBA CAT cutoff 2022. For the MBA, the CAT cutoff 2022 was 96. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.